So this is our gas-powered air compressor. The air temperature is about 60 degrees and it's the second week of November. So I will be creating a second video on how to start this thing in really cold air. When the temperature's down to 40, this thing is really hard to start. First of all, a little tour. These are all the plumbing accessories needed to blow out a sprinkler system for a house. We have a photo of everything that's in here. Some of these pieces may be screwed together. Now, if you want to use this big part, for example, you're going to screw these adapters together and then attach one of the blowouts into there. We always have, in the fall, we have 2 of these made up in case one gets lost. We also have 2 pipe thread to garden hose adapters as these kind of wear out. It's like there's 3 in there right now. So that's that. To start it, this gets lifted up. Number 1, lift to start, turn the engine on. I ran this out of gas earlier, so that's why it was that way. Set your choke and pull. Now when we're blowing out pipes, we want this set to 60 psi. Unscrew to lower the pressure, screw it down to increase the pressure. And this is not an exact deal. When you have your hose hooked up and you start actually running air, you'll want to double check this, because if you set it while you're static, it doesn't set right. Usually it'll be much lower. You'll be like, why don't I have any air? So for plumbing, no more than 60 pounds per square inch as indicated. For tools, you can crank it up. So let's tour the air compressor.